Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to tell knife and finger painting once again. In last video when I did, I got a lot of requests to do these type of paintings, and many of my students did and shared their work with me. So this was very nice to see that people are doing knife painting from my video. So this time I am using more fingers and I try to make it easy. So you can see I am just I took one small size canvas, and already there was one sienna color, so you don't need to apply that color. It was already, so I am using that canvas actually. So basically on white canvas you can use from here, you can take light blue color and white color. This is cerulean blue and white color, and I gave one base with my fingers. As you can see, I applied some color from my knife and then I spread this with my fingers. I am not going to use any type of brush in this. Down I am going to show some green area, so I am using gumboz yellow and sap green, and as you can see I am doing with my fingers only. So somewhere there, here yellow is more, some green is more, and I am trying to do wet on wet when my blue is not very much dry. As you know, acrylic is a very dry, dries very fast. So I am trying not to dry 100%. So right now I am trying to draw bird. One small bird I am drawing, and very lightly I am drawing here. So right now I am trying to draw some flowers with knife. So this is vermilion red, and if you want you can change the color. It's up to you, completely up to you. You can change the color. You can see strokes. I am mostly flowers I am doing with my 4 strokes or 5 maximum. Some flowers which are close to me, close to you, that will be bigger, and which will be far in distance, those will be small. So you need to remember this perspective while doing flowers. This is like impressive work. There is not very hyper realistic work. In mostly knife painting we do like this type of works. So I like this thing, and this is very fast. This is very easy, friends. Please try and share your experience with me. In last video many of my students did and shared, so I was very happy to see their works. Here you can see I am not using any type of brushes. In fact, these type of lines also I am trying to give only with my knife. If it is difficult at first time for you, definitely you can use brush. And color, you need to take tube colors which are little bit thick. Don't take water color. Those are little bit thin and thin colors. So this type of flowers will be difficult to do with bottle colors. I am using all tube colors, acrylics. this is sap green color, and some lines I am trying to give with my sap green. And you can see my palette, there are not a lot of color. There was cerulean blue, white, vermilion red, sap green, yellow. That's it. And I am mixing with all those colors. I am trying to give all the effect with only those colors. This is black, and middle of the flower I am trying to give black so that it will more pop out. And now there will be fun while doing bird. You can see 80% work is done in this painting. And for this bird I am using my fingers. I am just taking colors in my fingers and I am trying to do with dot dot. So right now this is yellow and sap green, this color was mixed. I am trying to mix little bit red in this. You can take any color, whichever color you want for your bird. Friends, I did many videos in different mediums, but I was getting requests to do acrylic and these type of paintings. So I am trying to do. My next video will be maybe related to Christmas. Maybe I am trying to do in watercolor, so that my series of watercolor, mini watercolors, maybe in that I will do next something related to Christmas. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, please do. You will be able to see many videos. Every week I am trying to do one video in different mediums, and I am trying to do it for all the age group, from beginners, I mean from 4 years to adult. I did many videos of portraits in different mediums. So you can see I didn't take any new color. I just mixed all the colors whatever was in my palette. I am trying to use those colors because acrylic color will be dry. I can't use after this, so I am trying to use only these colors. But if you want to take any other color, if you want to make your bird different color, definitely you can take some new color. But you can see I did only with my fingers. So in this painting, it's till now you didn't see I didn't use any type of brush, only fingers and knife I am trying to use. And this canvas size is not very much big size. I think it is 8 by 10 only. So if you want, you can go for bigger size also. For depth I am trying to give some black, touch of black. So it is about to finish, friends. Now you can see for detailing birds, I am trying to little bit, I am using my brush. So thank you so much my friends to watching this. You can see I slightly make birds in the sky, small birds. Thank you so much friends for watching my video. And if you like, please subscribe it. There are so many videos I already posted, and every week I am trying to do some new videos. So if you want to do anything specifically, please mention in the comment box. Definitely I will try to do for you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.